What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. We got Marcus over there. They are currently upside down because I'm going to attempt to mount my 42s on it. Never done a tire this big or wheel this big. Have a boatload of powder coated parts, literally everything. I'm missing like stupid small stuff. So while I'm doing that, Marcus is gonna be putting some wheel lights on his LBZ. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit so he can actually work in the shade because it is hot outside. I'm leaving this plastic on so for when I spoon.
Oh, fuck yeah, dog.
Well, time to put some air in it. I did do a little bit of damage right here. Sorry, Paulie. I got some touch-up paint though. I'll fix that up. I'll just figure out to be a little bit more careful, but oof. But damn, got Jaboli's Garage here, and they spin. Perfect. 3 more to go.
So I can fucking drive my car back and forth, not this fucking car. A little bit. God. I'm trying to see.
Yeah, massive big not flipping. Yeah. The other one? Good? Yeah. How long did you remember? We got all 4 mounted up and aired up. But now that we're done these, Marcus had to go step out to his house because he left the wheel lights at his house. So as soon as he gets back, we're going to start putting them on. So we got Derek over there. Say hi, Derek. Hi. Marcus pad slapping the truck. And then I'm going to start reassembling. Center cradle cross member mount, working on doing my 4 links right now. So then toss the rear axle in there. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get ready for the axle. Manhandled the rear axle on and the front. We got Jay helping out now too. So now I'm gonna put the pan bar on and then try and do the front too. Alrighty, we got rear axle in, front axle in. We got the track bar in. We also got the pan bar in. We left this paper there because it's chromed and I just don't want fingerprints all over it. So we'll unwrap all that when it's ready to go. But now we're going to focus back up on that LBZ because he's taking forever. Alrighty, got pretty much a lot of stuff done on that. Got some stuff done on this truck. I just wired basically the axle on the lights. Now I just have to run the wire forwards and then wire the front wheel lights, and then this truck will be done, but we're calling it a night, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, Markus finally finished up the wheel lights. Turn them on. He's got this mic tuning remote system, so everything's like wireless. Don't have to wire anything to inside the cab. It just goes under the hood with like a little receiver. Sorry, didn't video a little bit more of this. Him finishing up the wheel lights. Got a little distracted doing the overlays on the truck. But got the rear shocks on. Just hand tightened the bottom of the bag mount. And then just gonna work on finishing putting all the faceplates in, and that'll be it for this video. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get there. Guys, got all the faceplates basically on. Got my front shock on this side and the bag. Again, not putting this on yet. Not tightening this until I get this all set up with actual air. But got the front shock on. Everything's like hand tight. Gotta go through and tighten everything. Still gotta do some touch up paint here and there, but it's a rough idea. That'll be it for today's video though. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it was all over the place again, but this is huge progress already. Next part, just toss the motor and cab on and she'll be done, kind of. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the final put together part and set it on those 30s over there. Peace.